Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the visor and removing visible screws. You want immediate access. Use a flat pry tool to pop off the small plastic caps covering hidden screws, then remove them with a Phillips hash one. Once done, detach any vanity light connector so the visor is free. You're doing this to expose the hinge and pivot. This access lets you see whether the problem is a loose screw, a worn bushing, or a misaligned bracket. You now focus on the hinge assembly. Slide the visor off the pivot and inspect the metal shaft and plastic bushing. If the bushing is cracked or loose, swap it for a replacement or add a thin shim to restore snugness. You want controlled movement without binding. Once replaced, apply a light coating of silicone grease to the shaft so the visor moves smoothly. Then reposition the bracket and snug the screws while keeping a small amount of pivot play so the visor. You finish by reinstalling the visor onto the pivot and reconnecting any electrical plug. Hand tighten screws first, then torque them evenly. Test the visor through its full range, down, up, and swiveled to the side, so you confirm it holds position. If it still droops, make small adjustments. Add a thin washer or tighten a screw 1/4 turn at a time until it holds. Troubleshooting tip: if there's noise or binding, remove the visor and reevaluate bushing alignment and lubrication before more tightening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.